No one can blame you for walking away. Too much injection, nah. No love injection, nah. Life can be easy. It's not always swell. Don't tell me truth hurts you, little girl, 'cause it hurts like hell. No. But down in the underground. What do you think, Michael? What do I think about what? Should we start a show? We could. Should we start with a song? Whatever you think, buddy. How about...
I know a thing or two about her. I know she'll only make you cry. She'll let you walk the streets beside her. But when she walks, she'll pass you by. Everybody says she's looking good, and the lady knows it's understood. Strutter. Na-na-na, ba-da-ba. Strutter. Na-na-na, la-la-la-la. Strutter. She wears her satin like a lady. She gets her way just like a child. You'll take her home and she'll say, maybe, baby. She takes you down and drives you wild. Everybody says she's looking good, and the lady knows it's understood. Strutter. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, la-la-la-la. Strutter. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Na-na-na-na. Strutter. La-la-la-la-la-da-da-da. Strutter, watch out! She'll make you cry. Hey, everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and Kiss classic music. Today, we got a very special show planned for you today. So without further ado, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Hey, that really rhymed.
Thank you, sweetheart. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Hey, Cousin Missy's here, sweetie. Well, BOOZHOO, Missy, how you been? What's up, cuz? Nice to see ya. Let's get a gold star for Cousin Missy. And a gold star for Cousin Missy. And the Commodore is back. Let's get him a silver star. And a silver star for the Commodore. Yes, here once, twice, 3 times a lady, and I love you. That was the Commodores, right? Yeah, I think so. Well, they're here this morning. Well, that's awesome. Mino Giga Shame. Welcome back to the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. What is it, sweeties? You know what? I think it's something kind of random. Is it like prayer or something? Yeah. Okay. Anima ah. Anima ah. Pray. And then a prayer is anima a. Anima a is prayer. Anima ah. And I pray we hear from Jim Dunn again someday. Hey, guess what? What's that, sweetheart? Jim Dunn's here. Are you kidding me? Nope. Hey, Jim. What's going on? BOOZHOO, Jim. Let's get a bronze star for Jim. And a bronze star for Jim. Our prayers have been answered. Two A's sound like the in the word father. E sound like A, like in the word Ojibwe. Jim's out fishing right now. He's fishing? I'm wishing I was a fishing. Well, catch some fish. You know, it's kind of a double-edged sword. You know, you kind of, when you go fishing, you want to catch a fish, but then if you catch a fish, now you got to clean a fish. And nobody wants to have to clean a fish. So, I pray for the fish that they avoid you, so you don't have to kill them and clean them. What, you're going to eat a fish? Yuck. Anima A, anima A. And you know what, sweetie? I think I should go outside and maybe say a little anima A today. You want to go outside and say a prayer? Yeah, why not? I'm going to say a short one. Okay. Well, let me lock into your coordinates. All right, let me get rid of this Ojibwe text. Okay, I'm going to step outside. You want to step outside, mister? Hey, them's are fighting words. No, get out of here. And that's one to teleport. Make it so, number one. No. Oh, what? It's too quiet out here. Oh, there we go. What? Okay, so. Hello, Great Spirit. I mean, let's face it. That's all a prayer really is. It's just a conversation with, the Great Spirit. So I always start my prayers with, hello, Great Spirit. BOOZHOO Gitchimanadu. Thank you for my life. Miigwech Gabamadaziyan. Please help me today. Daga Widukawishan Nungum. I'm getting excited for our big trip to Wisconsin tomorrow, I guess. Daga Widukawishan. Please help me. Help me remember to pack the right stuff. Help us get there. Help us do a good show. I hope everything goes smoothly. Please help Bagheera be okay being by himself. We have to leave our cat for the first time for a couple of nights here. Natasha and Michael and we're going to go to Bayfield, Wisconsin. We got a gig out there. We're going to visit Bayfield School. And then we're going to go to the Big Top Chautauqua. The Big Top Chautauqua. We're doing a show in the Big Top. And yeah, that should be pretty fun. But it's kind of a big trip for us. And I'm a little nervous about leaving my cat alone. Even though everyone says, they're always like, oh, cats are good pets. They're so independent. It's like, really? Not my cat. My cat's kind of codependent. Anyway, so help us these next couple of days. Do a good job and get to the show. And, help me do what I need to do in a good way. Miigwech. Thank you. Ape and gay. Amen. Oh. Yeah, the leaves are really changing now. Dagwagan. Autumn. Autumn is upon us. You know what holiday I don't care about anymore? In addition to Christmas? Halloween. I outgrew that. I'm one of those people who outgrew it so much, I have a hard time not only respecting people who are still into Halloween. So, oh, it's Halloween, let's get dressed up in costumes and go to a bar and celebrate Halloween. Oh, I'm having a Halloween party. Won't that be fun? Even if you're a kid. Okay, I'll let the kids pass. But if you're grown up and you're shopping around, oh, what should I dress up this year for Halloween? It's like, come on, man. You're a grown adult. You want to dress up? You can dress up. This is America. You don't need the excuse of, oh, I'm celebrating all Halloween. And what is it? Number one, it teaches kids to be terrorists. Trick or treat. Give us a treat or we're going to give you a trick. Oh, really? What are you threatening? We might egg your house. We could throw some toilet paper. I don't know. I might even throw rocks through your window. How about that, Mr. BOOZHOO? Oh, no, please, here. Take some candy. Happy Halloween. And the kids march away. Yeah, trick or treat. Trick or treat. Down terrorizing the whole neighborhood. And their costumes, their ghoulish costumes. You know why they wear a mask? It's so you can't identify them to the police later on. Who vandalized your home? I don't know. There were some kids who came into my front door. I was minding my own business. I went to the front door and they were like, hey, mister, trick or treat. What do they mean by that? Well, they meant either give us a treat. They should be saying treat or trick. But the implication is, if I don't give them a treat of candy, they're going to play a trick on me. And the trick isn't going to be like a card trick. That's what I'm going to do this time. I'll be like, hey, trick. Show me a trick. Now. Here's a treat. It's called a gun. Get off of my property. No. Jim, you're just going to let the fish just catch and release, huh? Yeah. That's how I am with the ladies. No. Don't let Natasha know I said that. No. Trick or treat. Oh, I'm going to go as Barbie this year. What did the media tell you was going to be fashionable this year? I'm going as orange-faced Donald Trump. I'm going to go as some, a pregnant nun. Oh, ha. There's nothing worse than people who celebrate Halloween. I used to be one of them when I was an alcoholic. Because that's all it is. It's just an alcoholic's holiday. There's a lot of holidays for alcoholics. I mean, you got St. Patrick's Day, of course. Oh, what are we celebrating? Oh, the birth of St. Patrick, I guess. No. Yeah, he was didn't he get rid of all the snakes in Ireland? What? No. I don't know. But it's the day when it's socially acceptable to go out and get drunk on a Thursday. Or whatever it is. Well, I'm drinking green beer and wearing green today. It's a holiday. I'm an alcoholic. Because unless you're an alcoholic, St. Patrick's Day is meaningless. Nobody cares unless you're, New Year's Eve, that's another alcoholic's holiday. Oh no, we're celebrating the end of the calendar year by drinking of champagne. You start drinking early in the evening, and so by the midnight rolls around. And it's not like everybody goes, oh, Happy New Year, and then boom, right into bed. They continue drinking throughout the night. Some people will plan vacations. I'm going to New York City so I can drink champagne in Times Square. That's a alcoholic's holiday. Christmas, really. There's a lot of, eggnog with whiskey or whatever they put in it, rum. Alcoholics. Holiday. And certainly Halloween, if you're a grown-up. All that debauchery. 4th of July. Is there a holiday that's not somehow centered around drinking? That's why I don't celebrate anything. Come on, let's go and imbibe. Nah. What? Don't look at me like that. You don't drink either. Anyway, I suppose I can go back. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, Nanaboozhoo. You ready to come in? Yep. Okay. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Now get out of here. Hi. Welcome home. Thank you so much. Did you have fun out there? Oh, I did. Did you say a prayer? Put out your tobacco? You know what? I didn't put out my tobacco. I just prayed. I just wanted to teach a few lines of prayer. Keep it short. Short and sweet. Yeah. In fact, that reminds me. I kind of feel like we need to keep these live streams short. Really? Yep. Because when we went live the other day, and we were outside for 10 minutes, we got like 150 views. So let's just wrap up the show right here, and we'll come on again later. Okay. You cool with that? Yeah, totally. All right, everybody. Want to say miigwech gabizendawieg. Thank you for listening. Dush miigwech ganawabieg. And thank you for watching. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo. Over here is the one and only Natasha. Miigwech kakila awia. Thank you, everybody. This over here is Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you later. And I will see you again. Kigawabamin. Minawa. Oh. Sweetie? To the moon, Alice! To the moon, Alice! How old are you? I don't know. Why'd you teleport? Make it so, number 1. Hey, if you'd like to support the show, hit like and subscribe. And we also have a Patreon page in the description. You can click the link down there. And here's some other videos from the past. And there's a subscribe right there. Or I think that's, I don't know what it is. Miigwech. Okay.